So on this video, we will explore how we can use the OpenAI TTS integration with the Pabbly-connect. So now to do that, you would have to search for Growth and Shape AI. To do that, search for the TTS for OpenAI, which is this. This is text to speech. If you don't have the connection already, you can get the API key by going to this link. If you have the connection already, you can simply select the connection. Then you can select the model that you would like to use. I would use the cheaper option, which is TTS1. You can also go with the HD, which is expensive but better. The input, you can pass the data that you would want to convert, or you can simply paste the dummy text. Right now, I'm going with the dummy text, but you can pass the data that you would want to convert into voice. So now select the voice that you would like to use. You can also use this particular link to preview the voices. It would help you understand which is better, and you can simply select the one that you would like. Then in the speed, I would simply go with the speed one. You can also go from 0.25 to 4.1, and the one is the default value. Here in the OpenAI key, make sure to add the variable into Pabbly-connect by going to settings and variables. And if you add the OpenAI key here, you can get the variable ID, which you can paste it over here. Then click on save and send a test request. It'll probably take a minute. Sorry, not a minute, but for a few seconds, but it would work. Then now you have the request ID. And now to get the output of this particular request, you need to have a certain delay here. Add a delay. So OpenAI has a sufficient time to process this. Let's assume that I would want to, I have a context like length with the 4,000 character. So I would go with the 5 minutes delay. Once you have the 5 minute delay, you can make a request to the API to get the data of this particular request. In order to do that, click on Add step. Again, search for the Growth and API app. Now, if you look at this, we have selected the Make TTS request. Now we would have to go with the request. You see the first one, which is to make a request, and this is to get the request of this particular request we made previously. Now, I would simply pass the request ID, which is this, which is coming from the first step, from this particular step. Then if you make request, you would get the MP3 file. That's it. You have the MP3 file now, which you can pass the data to other softwares. And this is it. Hopefully, it is helpful. And if you have any questions, please send me a message or you can find the email in my description of this video.